So recently, my friend Chad from SAS Optics showed me how we can use Gong to identify customer testimonials. All we have to do is say, "That's the magic of chili," and then Gong aggregates this into a folder. Let's take a look.
I love Chili Piper. When I was an SDR, your tool saved me hours of work scheduling meetings for my AE and updating Salesforce. Now, as an AE, the benefits on the other side of the table are just as great. I want to sell, not worry about scheduling.
And that's the magic of Chili.
Chili Piper lets me book times right from my email. It makes it really easy for the customer to go in, pick a time that works for them. There's no back and forth. I just love it. The customer loves it. It's a win-win.
And that's the magic of Chili.
It amazes me how fast my reps are able to book meetings on the right AE's calendar. They don't have to juggle between a bunch of tools. They don't have to spend 20 minutes trying to schedule the handoff meeting. It's all automated and easy to report on.
And that's the magic of Chili.
Seriously, Chili Piper, thank you for the meal. Some chili on this, it's perfect. And that's the magic of Chili.
We were looking for a scheduling tool to help us take the massive amount of leads coming to our website and get them into the salespeople's hands as soon as possible. And now no lead gets lost or left behind. Well played, Chili Piper.
And that is the magic of Chili.
So as you can see, it's a great time to be a piper and an even better time to be a customer.
And that's the magic of Chili Piper.